Hello, today's topic is prime number series and digital operation of number series. So let's start with prime number series. In this type of series, each element is prime number in certain sequence. Each element is prime number in certain sequence. Okay. Now try one example to understand this more properly. Suppose we are given one series that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and we need to find the last one. Okay, as we can see, each next element is the next prime number in this series. Therefore, the last one must be 13. Okay, so this is the answer for our question. Now jump to the next topic, that is digital operation of number series. Okay, in this type of series, the digits of each number are operated in a certain way to obtain the next element. The digits of each number are operated in a certain way to obtain the next element of the series. Okay, now we try one example to understand this more accurately. Suppose we are given one series that is 88, 64, 24, and we need to find the last number of this series. As we can see that in this given series, if we multiply 8 sorry if we multiply uh, as we can see that in this given series, the first term is 8 and 8. The two digits are 8 and 8, and for the next one we get 6 and 4. Okay, and the third one is 2 and 4. Therefore, we can tell that if we multiply 8 and 8 we get 64. If we multiply 6 with 4 we get 24. Therefore, our required answer will be 2 multiplication with 4. Therefore, 8 is the right answer. I repeat, in this given series the first term is 88. Okay, So the two digits are 8 and 8. If we multiply these two digits, we get 64. That is the next number in the given series. And it is 64. Therefore, we multiply 6 with 4, we get 24. And if we multiply 4 with 2, we get 8, which is the required answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.